Namhlanje njengoba kuwumhla ka-22 kuFebruary 2026 sine marathon yethu eyayibe khona yonke iminyaka ebizwa ngokuthi Arnold Mfundo Lushalo Half Marathon. Siyajabula kakhulu ukuthi abantu bethu ba-participate-ile, sibaniki kakhulu esikhona la, kuyinto umnandi sibe njabulo. Siyazi sonke ukuthi mangabe abantu be-participate kuma-sports kuyindlela leyo kwenza ukuthi imizimba yabo ikwazi ukuthi ibe simweni esikahle, ibe simweni sokuthi ingakwazi ukubelana lonke uhlobo lezifo.
Hayi si-ready for usuku lwanamhlanje, nangonyaka odlule sasila, nakulo nyaka sila.
I'm excited, I can't wait to finish. I hope, yeah, ngizoqeda kahle.
We are so excited today. It's a good day. We are doing these things. I'm hoping to finish this run. I'm running 10 kilometers with my partner. She's also running 10 kilometers. And we're gonna rock it.
So silana mfowethu sizo enjoy race, makuwineka so wina something.
Sizobaleka. Siku 10 kilometer, 21 kilometers sizogqiba.
Le nto ngiyaqala ngiyayiqeda.
Siyakhona mthwalume, siyojika khona, siyoyilanda madoda, siyobuya nayo le nto.
My name is Victor Halabit. I'm from Kenya. Although the course is good, but at least I trained well and I was very much prepared for this race. And I'm happy for winning the race.
I am Jobo Khatwani from Lesotho, running for Max Elite Club. I am here at Mzumbe, where I was competing in 21.1 kilometers, which I won. My aim was to run the course record, but I don't know if I did it, but I'm happy that I am able to win.
Namhlanje benibaleka u10 km and ngijabule kakhulu ngoba okokuqala ndiphuma ku-position 1.
My name is Madino Mahluku. I'm from Lesotho. I'm very happy to be the first lady. I won 21 kilometers and it's my third time to win this race and I'm feeling very happy.
We are always excited about this race. Njalo ngonyaka mangabe izoba khona kuba naleyo excitement yokuthi at least we are remembering iqhawe elakwazi ukuthi lisebenzele uMzumbe as a whole. uMzumbe umasipala recognizes that and bayenza le race yaba khona every year. So ngaso sonke isikhathi sihlale sinalokho nje ukujabula ukuthi i-race siyayithanda futhi siyayithokozela and siyabona nomphakathi nawo uyayithokozela kakhulu. Siyaye sithi i-race promoter a healthy living. So umphakathi waseMzumbe at least kunaleyo awareness yokuthi ukuphila healthy emzimbeni kusho ukuthi izifo eziningi ngeke zizengene kuwena. So ilokho kakhulu esikuthokozela nge-race nakho ukuthi sikwazi ukukhumbula ubaba wekhaya njalo ngonyaka. Ngiyabonga.